I think we know more about Marvel bandsaws and the older bandsaws than any other product line at the company. And that's because we started off years ago as Marvel dealers, so we're very well versed in what parts are needed. We stock an enormous amount of parts for Marvel number 8s, 81s, 15s. These are the older machines that it's very difficult to find parts for. Additionally, our parts are much less expensive than the manufacturers because we're an aftermarket part manufacturer. We stock a lot of lower band wheels for the number 8s, a lot of guides, all at a price that's much less than the manufacturers. And Marvel was recently bought by Amada. They put the two companies together, and quite frankly, they're a powerhouse. They make great machines, but since they're so large, now they're having a little problem getting some of the parts in, and we've kind of filled that gap. Unlike other part suppliers, we're the only company that sells blades, parts, and the know-how.